when you put the left hand towards me, it represents your desire to be self-realized. So just you have to put your left hand like this. Just nothing else is to be done. Simple, but in a humble way. Put your left hand straight like this. First of all, it's better to take the advantage of Mother Earth. So you have to take out your shoes. You can keep your socks, but better to take out your shoes because sometimes they can be very tight. And your hats. Anything tight which makes you uncomfortable should be loosened, that's all. Now, all of you, please put your left hand on your lap very comfortably. Now, your right hand is the one which is the power of action. With this you act. So you have to use your right hand just first on your heart center, then because in the heart resides a spirit, then I'll tell you one by one, but just now you can see on the upper part of the stomach, in the lower part of the stomach, then again in the upper part of the stomach, then on the heart, then here, then here, then here. I will tell you one by one where, and then on top of your head here, stretch your hand, palm, put it down there and press it hard. That's all. It's very simple. Now, this all has to be done with the right hand. Just remember this one point. So now, you have to close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Now, please put left hand like this, right hand on your heart. Now here, close your eyes. In the heart resides the spirit. So please ask me 3 times a question in your heart, not loudly. Please ask me sincerely a question. You can call me Sri Mataji or you can call me Mother, whatever you like. Mother, am I the spirit? Mother, am I the spirit? Mother, am I the spirit? Now this Now, this question is followed by another question when you put your right hand in the upper part of your stomach on the left hand side. We are working everything on the left hand side and press it hard. Now here is the center which gives you the power of mastery over yourself, the mastery over the divine knowledge, the mastery of the working of the divine knowledge. That means you become your own master. You become your own guru. Nobody can dominate you. Nothing can dominate you. No habits can dominate you. So at this point, you press your fingers, dig them down. Here you have to ask the second question to me, Mother, am I my own master? Ask these questions 3 times, please. With full faith in yourself, ask this question. Mother, am I my own master? This will neutralize all your useless readings and everything. My own master. Now, please take your hand down in the lower part of your abdomen and press it hard there. On the left hand side, keep the left hand towards me. Now, here is the center which is working out the divine technique, the pure knowledge. The true art of this technique is worked out through this center here. At this center, I cannot force you in any way that you should ask me for your self-realization. It should be your own desire, free will, to ask for it. So here you please ask me, Mother, may I have the true knowledge? This has to be said 6 times because there are 6 petals to this center. Mother, may I have the true knowledge, the pure knowledge of the divine technique. Six times, please. All right. Now raise this hand again on the left hand side on the same center of the principle of the mastery on the upper part of your abdomen, of your stomach on the left hand side. And now press it hard. This center has got 10 petals. So here now you have to help your Kundalini to rise by asserting the truth, by saying 10 times with full confidence in yourself, Mother, I am my own master. Mother, I am my own master. Mother, I am my own master. Please say it 10 times. Now, again you raise your hand on top of your heart and put it there with full confidence here. As this center has got 12 petals, you have to say with full confidence in yourself the truth, Mother, I am the Spirit. You are the Spirit. So please say with full confidence, Mother, I am the Spirit. Believe me, you are the Spirit. Twelve times. You have to know that divine is the ocean of God's love. It is the ocean of His forgiveness. And you cannot do anything that he cannot forgive. He is that powerful. His forgiveness is that powerful. So there's no need for you to feel guilty about anything whatsoever. By that you are challenging his power of forgiveness. So now you raise your hand in the angle of your neck and your shoulder and push it back towards the spinal cord and press it hard, very hard. Now this is the most difficult center in the West. As I said, when you feel guilty, you catch this center and you get all kinds of troubles like angina, also troubles like spondylitis and so many other problems. Now press it hard and with full confidence you say it 16 times. Mother, I am not guilty. Now, raise this hand on your forehead across and press it on both the sides. Now, here is the center where you have to forgive others. I will not say how many times, but from your heart. Please say, Mother, I forgive everyone. I forgive everyone. I forgive everyone. Now maybe you might say, that's very difficult. It's not at all, because it is mythical. What do you do by not forgiving or forgiving is nothing. But when you don't forgive, you play into the hands of wrong people. So just say, Mother, I forgive everyone. Everyone I forgive. This is the greatest weapon Christ has given us, is to forgive. Forgive everyone, forgive everyone, forgive everyone. Now, for your own satisfaction, you may put your hand on the back side of your head, back side of your head. Here is the center where you have to say that if I have done anything wrong against the Divine, please forgive me. You have to ask the Divine the forgiveness so that there is no doubt in your mind or sort of a lurking guilt. If you say that 3 times or from your heart, it will work out. But don't count the mistakes and the sins so-called. Just say that. Saying is sufficient. Saying is the enlightened chanting. All right? Now, stretch your hand, put it on top of your head. Bend your head a little bit forward. On top of your head, bend it, and now rub it hard. The scalp 7 times. Here again I cannot cross your freedom. So you have to say, Mother, I want my realization. I cannot force it on you. So just say, I want my realization. I can only persuade you, but I cannot force it. You have to ask for it. So please say 7 times, Mother, please, may I have my realization. Please give me my realization. 7 times. Now, bring down your right hand. Put it towards me. Slowly open your eyes. And put your left hand, bending your head a little bit, on top of your head here, little higher, and see if there's a cool breeze coming out. With the left hand you see, not with the right hand. Right hand towards me. Right hand towards me. With the left hand, just try to see if you're feeling any cool breeze out of your head. All right?